Imagine waking up every day knowing that you finally can edit something and get paid for it.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna talk about our boy Fiverr. Fiverr is like a big marketplace on the internet where people can trade their skills. You've got hunters who are good at things like designing, writing, coding, and promoting stuff. They offer their services to others who need help with those things. It's a way for people to get things done without having to do everything themselves. In the editing side, we got anime edits, of course, gaming video editing, and short videos editing. Imagine that you can just add subtitles to a 60-second video and earn $10. And that will cost you only 10 minutes or less? Using Flexclip, the ultimate toolkit for content creators. With a range of powerful AI-powered tools, Flexclip has everything you need to enhance your videos and streamline your creative process. First up, text-to-speech. Transform any text into lifelike speech with just a few clicks.
Simply paste your text into our easy-to-use interface and let Flexclip's algorithms do the rest.
Next, we have automatic subtitles.
Never worry about adding subtitles manually again. Flexclip intelligent system automatically generates accurate subtitles for your videos.
Looking for seamless team collaboration? Flexclip's team management tool has got you covered.
Easily share and collaborate on video projects with your team, no matter where they are.
And now, what if I told you that this video script is also made by AI?
Never struggle with writer's block again with Flexclip's AI script generator. Craft compelling scripts in seconds with the help of artificial intelligence.
Need stunning visuals? Flexclip's AI image generator can bring your ideas to life. Create eye-catching images with ease, thanks to advanced algorithms.
There are more features that Flexclip can provide. All links are down below. If you search subtitles in Fiverr, you will notice that there are a lot of editors ready to serve. Check this dude right here. Assuming that his clients went only for the basic offer, then that's literally over than $6K of income. So what we gonna do now is making a similar gig. Once you sign in, create a new gig. What we gonna do is just copying everything from the other gig and paste it in our gig. From the title to the keywords. For the pricing, we're gonna do the same, but this time we lower the price. Save and continue. Copy the caption. For the questions, I'm too lazy, so I usually write just contact me. Last step, and the one I hate, is the images. Just make a quick image and a video, and you're done. For me, I'm just gonna use something random. Once you're done, publish your gig and wait for your new client. Once a new client sends you a message in the assets, here Flexclip's role come. Simply start by choosing the editing mode. Upload the client's clip. Go to Subtitles and click on Auto Subtitles. Choose text style. Boom! You can modify the text style from here. Change color. Font and size too. And yeah, you done.